Everyone know what is solar eclipse and how does it occur, because it happens at least twice in every year at specific part on Earth. Like every year on April 8, 2024, solar eclipse occurred, but it was different from the last year eclipse which happens on 14th October 2023. Can you spot the difference? Last year's solar eclipse is not fully covered and it is called annular solar eclipse, while this year's eclipse is fully covered and it is called total solar eclipse. Apart from this, there are two more types. So this video will be about different types of solar eclipse and how does it occur. Solar eclipse happen only when moon changes into new moon during lunar phase. At that time, new moon comes in between sun and earth's ecliptic plane, blocking the view of sun. This is what we call a solar eclipse. It has overall 4 types and it is classified based on area blocked by moon on sun's view from earth. So when new moon completely blocks sun's view so that no light can fall on specific part on earth for some times is called total solar eclipse. During this type of eclipse, moon will be at closest distance towards earth. So visually, the size of moon will be bigger in size than the sun. This allows the moon to block the overall size of sun and not allow light to fall on earth. But it will all take very lesser time, approximately 3 minutes. After that, moon will pass the sun and change back to normal. This type of eclipse happens once in every 3 years and it lasts for 3 to 4 minutes. Second type is annular solar eclipse, which is also called ring of fire. It is same as total solar eclipse, but moon cannot completely block the sun because the moon will be at maximum distance away from the earth. So visually, sun size is greater than the moon that allows to block only center part of the sun. As it covers only center part, a thin layer of bright sunshine visible around moon, which is called ring of fire. This type of eclipse occurs once in every 2 years and more often it will last for less than 10 minutes. One thing that is common in both of the type is the alignment of the planets. That is, sun, moon and earth will be on straight line. Also, in both the types, the moon will pass through the earth's plane of ecliptic, but we can't be sure every time it will pass through it because moon's orbit is different from the earth. Orbital plane of moon will be 5° tilt to the ecliptic plane. So, plane of moon will be lower or higher to the earth's plane. If solar eclipse happens at that time, the moon will cover only certain portion of sun and that is called partial solar eclipse. It looks like moon have taken a bite on sun. Here, distance of moon from earth doesn't matter as the moon can't block more than half of the sun. Also, in this type of eclipse, sun, moon and the earth won't make a straight line. In addition, we can see this type of eclipse in all other solar eclipses because eclipse can occur for an hour, but the time taken by moon to completely hide the sun is only for few minutes. So before and after of blocking the sun, we can see partial solar eclipse. Final one is hybrid type of solar eclipse. Usually, hybrid refers to combination of two or more things. Likewise, in this type of eclipse, we can either see annular or total solar eclipse. This is due to the Earth's curvature. So, people in equator will be the shortest distance to the moon and will see the total solar eclipse, while people in tropical region will be the longest distance due to the curve and will see the annular or partial type of solar eclipse. This eclipse is the rarest one among all other type of solar eclipse as it happens only once in per decade. Next time, if you are in the place where solar eclipse takes place, identify which type of eclipse you have seen.